I'd like to tell you about an amazing model train layout I saw. It was in a standard-sized bedroom that would normally fit 2 single-sized beds. This layout looked fantastic from the doorway, but to get past the door frame you had to duck under the benchwork and pop up into a gap into the middle. The owner, an 86-year-old, crawled under. It was easier for him than for me, with my tall, lanky body, and there was only room for one person in the middle. To retrieve a derailed train, he climbed on some portable steps and leaned over with a stick. Not ideal. Despite the access limitations, visiting this layout was a real thrill. It really showed what can be achieved in such a confined space. But it really highlighted the need, where possible, to create walk-in designs. If that's not feasible, then consider incorporating a lifting, swinging or dropping bridge to better access the layout. However, be aware that this will pose some construction, track laying and wiring issues. But what would the hobby be without challenges?